In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along in real time. A drop-down list is a great way to make your spreadsheet cleaner and easier to use, especially when you want people to choose from a set list of options instead of typing their own answers. To get started, go to your Google Sheet. Open the spreadsheet where you want the drop-down list to appear and make sure you're on the correct sheet and cell area before moving on. This helps avoid creating the list in the wrong place. Once you're in the sheet, go up to the top menu and click on Insert. This is where Google Sheets keeps several useful elements you can add directly into your spreadsheet. From the Insert menu, click on Drop-Down. As soon as you do that, a setup panel will appear, allowing you to define the options that will be included in your list. Now click into the first field and type your first drop-down label. This is the first option people will be able to select. Try to make the label short and clear so it's easy to read in the cell. After that, click into the second field and type your second drop-down label. This gives your list another selectable option. You can use labels that match the kind of choices you want to offer, whether that's statuses, categories, priorities, or anything else relevant to your sheet. Next, click on the color drop-down next to each label and assign a color to it. This step is optional in terms of function, but it makes the drop-down visually easier to scan. Color coding can be especially helpful if you want certain options to stand out at a glance. If you need more choices, click on Add Another Item, then continue adding as many drop-down items as you need. Take a moment here to review your list so the wording stays consistent and easy to understand. Once everything looks right, click Done. This applies the drop-down list to the selected cell or range in your sheet. Finally, click on the drop-down that now appears in your sheet. You should see the list of options you added. From there, you can select any of them and confirm that the drop-down is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully created a drop-down list in Google Sheets. It's a small feature, but it can make your spreadsheets much more organized, accurate, and user-friendly.